Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips BT1215 by 15 USB cordless beard trimmer. As you can see, this is a very basic box set, very similar to the other boxes of the Series 1000 beard trimmers by Philips. There is not much of note here other than the fact that this trimmer supports USB charging and can run for 16 minutes on a single charge. Not bad at all. Now let's open it up. It's neatly wrapped. Let's remove this. This is what the trimmer looks like. It has a beautiful ergonomic design. You will notice the Philips logo on the side. And it's ready to use. It also has a pretty solid grip. Let's keep the trimmer to the side and see what else is in the box. First we have a tiny brush. This is used to clean the blade and the head. Up next we have 4 comb extensions of variable lengths. Additionally, we also have a micro USB charging cable. There are also some documents like the warranty card and the user manual as well. That's all you'll find inside this box. Thank you for watching.